have activities class. You have to stretching exercise. Today also you have to stretch the exercise. First you have to stretch your heads to upward slowly. Hold in 3 seconds. Then downward. Slowly you have to. Hold in 3 seconds. Then left side. Then right side. Then stretch your hands with biceps muscles. Then another hands. And stretch your arms with back side. Then another hands. Then stretch your fingers, wrist fingers. Then another hand fingers, upward, downward, then opposite direction down. Then stretch your hips. Right side have to bend. Then left side. Then bend forward. Then bend backward with your comfortable flexible. Then stretch your legs. Another leg. Stretch your leg with another position. Hold your foot angle. Stand in 3 seconds. And slowly release. Then another legs. Then release. Testing another day. Then slowly release. Then another leg. Stretching angles. Then another leg. Another angle. Then stretch your hamstring muscles. Then another leg. Stretch the hamstring muscles. Different type. Then another leg. After that, complete the stretching of exercise. You have to, before you have to start the yoga, you have to compulsory have to Surya Namaskar. Because the Surya Namaskar is here, one of the warm up of exercise. Okay? Today you have to start the Surya Namaskar. You have to demonstration step by step. First one is prayer position. We have to normal prayer position. Then step 2, you have to slightly bend backward. Then step 3. Then step 4. Then step 5. Then step 6. Then step 7. Step 8. Step 9. Step 10. 11. Then 12. Once again, demonstration in side view. Prayer, normal prayer position. Step 1. Then step 2. Slightly your bend backside with your comfortable or flexible. Then step 3. Have to slightly bend forward position. Step 4. Your left leg only have to backside. Then step 4. Push-ups, normal push-ups position. Then step 5. Next step. Another step. Another step. Then another. Once again, I have to demonstration. Okay. In quick, fast movement. Okay. Step 1. Step 2. Step 3. Step 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 11. 12. Okay. Now we are all doing the Surya Namaskar practice. I am also have to practice. Okay. If you all are interested, you have to stand the normal position, stand up position. Okay. All of you, if you are interested, you can stand. You have to doing the Surya Namaskar practice now. I have explained the one by one step. Okay. Step 1, normal prayer position. Step 2, you have to slightly bend backward. Slowly. You are flexible, with your comfortable. Step 3, straightly bend forward means slowly. With your touch, your arms, your fingers to the floor, or if you are comfortable, you have to hold your legs. Then step 4, slightly your left leg slightly go to the backwards. Then step 4, both the legs have to the backward. That is normal push-up position. Then step 5, you have to slightly your both the knees, chest, the hands, and your chin. Also, the 8 parts you have to touch the ground floor. That position. Only the chin, chest, both the arms, your knees, and ankle. The 8 parts you have to touch the ground floor or yoga mat. Then Bhujangasana. Slightly raise your upper body only. Your forehead to the direct opposite direction you have to. Okay. 8%. That V-shape position. Both the legs, ankle and hands have to touch only. You have to the V-shape position. Then back to the right leg you have to forward position. Then bend forward position. Back to the third position or 11th position. Then slowly bend backward position, 11th position. Then prayer position, first position or 12th position. If I have to practice in regularly, I have to quickly, step by step, I have to quickly. I have to benefits, you have to learn the benefits. If you have to regular practice in, and you have to regular in fast movements. Okay. Next, asanas. That is today I have to learn the one of the long sitting asanas in basic asana. Okay. Bandha Konasana. The name is Bandha Konasana. That means the bound angle pose. Okay. It is simple and easy exercise. All the age people have to practice. Okay. Going to the normal long sitting position. Both arms you have to slightly close your legs, left and right. Then your chin have to straight. Then spinal also to erect. Then slightly your right leg bend. Then your left leg also have to slightly bend. Both the soles have to touch. If you are comfortable, you have to touch the knees, you have to touch the ground with your flexible comfort. No, sir, I have to not comfortable. Okay, you have to tighten the legs with your comfortable. At the time, you have to inhale slowly. Okay. In the final position, you have to hold the breath. Then exhale the release in breath. Then release step by step. First you have to release the both arms, both hands. Then release your left leg to forward. Then right leg to forward. Then going to the first position, sitting position. Then normal arm sitting position. Okay, once I had to demonstration. First you have to go into the normal arm sitting position. Then first position, your spine also have to stay. Then your right leg to bend straightly. Bend. Then your left leg slowly to bend. At that time you have to inhale with slowly. Then hold your both arms to close your angle or your feet. You have to at that time you have to hold the breath. Then release the breath. I exhale the breath. Then release step by step. Release first your arms, hands. Then release your first your left leg. Then right leg slowly. Then first position go to then normal long sitting position. Okay. We are do now the Bandha Gomukhasana to practice now. Okay. If you are all interested, you have to go into the normal long sitting position. Normal long sitting position. That's this. Both the legs you have to bend slightly forward. Both arms you have to close your both the leg side. Normal. The first position go to your spinal also to stay. Your spinal also stay. Then your chest also opposite direction to face it. Then slightly hold your right leg to bend the right leg. then slightly.
Karthi sir.
Huh?
Sir, your leg positions are not clear.
Oh, okay, sir. Okay, sir. Now
Uh,
it's clear. Sir?
no, camera கொஞ்சம் கீழே பண்ணுங்க.
Okay, sir. Okay. Slowly, your left leg hold, and slightly have to left leg have to bend. Okay. Then hold your both the feet. Have to inhale deeply, then hold. Then release the breath. The final position you have to, with your comfortable time, have comfortable your duration. Minimum you have to 15 to 20 seconds. We are beginners, so we have to 15 to 20 seconds have the hold the final position. Then exhale the breathe, then release step by step. First you have to release the both of your arms. Then release your left leg to straightly forward position. Then your right leg slightly move to the forward long sitting position. And first long sitting position, that is normal long sitting position. Okay. Today you have to learn the Bandha Gomukhasana. What are the benefits you have to benefits in Bandha Gomukhasana? Your muscle tones have to your muscles and your muscle tones have to increase and strengthen the GI system and increase your digestive system also. Okay. And second asana is here, simple asana, another simple asana in long sitting position. That name is Balasana. Now another name is the child pose. Okay, it is simple asana, another asana. Go into the normal long sitting position. You have to go into the first position. Both arms have to place the floor, then your spine also straight. Then go into the your hold your right leg to slightly bend to place your right thigh. That is a normal Vajrasana position. Same. So another left leg you have to slightly bend. You have to place that is Vajrasana. You have to slightly bend forward. You have to face your forehead to the floor. Then slightly have to for your both the hands to place the floor in downward. Your arms have to place the downward position. At the time you have to deeply inhale and hold your breath, then release the exhale position with your comfortable time. Then release first your both the hands to slightly close your leg side. Then slightly have to slowly have to raise your upper body slightly. Then release your first your left leg. Then release your right leg slowly. Then normal going to the first position to normal long sitting position. Okay. I have to another view. Side view. Demonstration. Okay. First you have to go into the first position, your spinal straight position. Then hold your right leg to bend your thigh. Place your under the thigh. Then another leg same. That is Vajrasana position. Slightly you have to bend your upper body and face your forehead to the floor slightly. Then both the hands to forward. Then deeply inhale and hold the breath in with your comfortable duration and comfortable time. Then exhale the breath. Then release step by step. First, the reverse order. Both the hands to slightly backward. Then slowly have to raise your upper body. Slowly have to release the left leg to forward position. Then another leg to slightly forward position. Okay, now we are to the practice. We are doing it now. We are doing the balasana. Okay, I have to explain and demonstration. If you are interested, if you are doing the now practice the balasana. Okay, first we are going to the normal long sitting position. Then first position you have to sit straight. Your spinal also straight. Your forehead also see the opposite direction. Then hold your right leg and slightly you have to bend slowly. Place your right thigh under the thigh. You have to sit with your comfortable. Then another opposite leg you have to place same. You have to first bend, then slightly. Then you have to place. You have to sit the Vajrasana position. Okay. Then you have to slightly bend or slowly, very slowly. In case any have back normal spinal pain or you have to back pain, people say have to avoid this asana very slowly. Then both the hands you have to slightly move forward position and touch. Hold the position you have to 10 to 15 seconds or 15 to 20 seconds with your comfortable time. Then you have to inhale the breath and hold the breath, then exhale the breath. Okay, I have to inhale. Okay, release. Reverse order. Both hands to backward position. Then slightly you have to bend. Upper body have to slightly forward. Then bend backward. Then release your first your left leg slowly. Normal forward position. Then another leg the right leg slowly. Okay. We are do the Balasana today. What are the benefits you have to the Balasana? Relieve the tension of the chest, your back, and your shoulder also. Helps relieve the stress and anxiety. Stretch the your hips, thighs, and ankles also. Stretch the lengthen of the spinal. Your spinal also have to strengthen and release the constriction and calm of the mind. The benefits I have to get the and gain the balasana. I have to regular practice. Okay. Then another asana is Janu Sirasasana. The name is Janu Sirasasana. The another meaning is head to knee pose. The name is head to knee pose. Another name is okay. First we have to go into the normal long sitting position. Then you have to go into the first position. Same. Then if you are any, you have to you choose the leg. I have choose the first. I have choose the left leg. You have to bend. Then face the your right side view, right side. Okay. Okay. Then both the hands you have to slowly have to hold the your angles. Okay. In hand have to slightly, very slowly have to bend forward to your forward face to the your right side or right angles. Okay. Very slowly with your comfortable, flexible. Okay. Then final position you have to inhale deeply, then hold your breath, then exhale the breath, then release reverse order your positions and asanas, particular asana. I have inhale. The final position you have to hold the 10 to 15 seconds with your comfortable duration. Then release your shoulder. First you have to slightly bend your upper body. Then release your both the hands to your angle slightly. Then release your left leg. I have demonstration the another leg in right leg. Okay. Do now. First you have to go into the normal long sitting position. Then bend your right leg and place to the your right side with thigh and slightly hold your both the hands to your ankles and your upper body slightly to bend forward and to see the your forehead in angle or your thigh and with your comfortable flexible. In case you have to any pain, then slowly you have to release. Okay. Suddenly don't you have to release. You have to slowly, very slowly you have to release the question. Then you have to inhale in deeply. Then hold your breath with your comfortable duration. Then exhale, you have to deeply. Then release. Stay your upper body. Slightly bend. Backward position. Then slightly you have to release your both the hands. Then release your right leg. Okay. Then going to rest position to normal long sitting position. Okay. I have to another side will demonstration. First you have to normal long sitting position to first position. The first position name also Tandasana. Okay. The spinal direct forehead have to face the opposite direction. Your chest also to front. The name is Tandasana. It is simple asana. This is basic asana. Okay, going to the hold the left leg to slightly bend. Then and place the your right side side. Okay, hold your both the hands to angle. With your comfortable. I don't know, sir. I don't hold the angles. No, no problem. If you hold the your knees, okay, or your back when any parts to your leg, your maximum flexible in your upper body. Then inhale deeply. Then hold the breath. Then exhale the breath. Then release reverse order slowly, step by step. Release the upper body first. Then both the hands. Then release your left leg, slightly bend, forward, normal forward position. Then going to the normal sitting position. Okay. Okay. Now we are all doing the Janu Sirsasana practice now. Okay. I have to explain and demonstration. Okay. If you are going to the normal long sitting position. Okay. Then first position. The spinal also straight. Forehead to face the opposite direction. Okay. Slightly you have to choose the any your comfortable leg. I have to choose the right leg. Okay. Slightly you have to bend and place the your right thigh side view side. Okay. Then slowly with your comfortable flexible, you have to slowly your angle or you have to hold your bones knees. Okay. Then slowly you have to bend forward position with your comfortable. Hold the final position with your comfortable duration. Then the final position goes to inhale, then in deeply. Then hold the breath with your comfortable time. Then exhale deeply. Then release your position in reverse order in step by step. First, you have to release your forehead, your upper body also. Then release your hands slowly. Then release your right leg or you choose your leg. You are comfortable. Yeah. First position go to then normal long sitting position. Okay. Today I have to learn the Janu Sirsasana also. Okay. What are the benefits of Janu Sirsasana? Relieve your mental actual discomfort and the symptoms of menopause. Okay. Then calm and mind relax. This asana you have to regular practice. And your anxiety, your fatigue, and your stress also you have to decrease. Also, you have to headache any problem, you have to use this asana. Then you release it easily or relieve the relax the position easily. Okay. Then improve your flexibility also. Your arms, shoulder, and your spinal flexibility also you have to improve the Janu Sirsasana. Okay. Next, the asana is Parvitra Janu Sirsasana. Parvitra, Parvitra Janu Sirsasana. Okay. The another name is revolved head to the knee position. The another name is revolved head to knee position or pose. Okay. Going to the normal long sitting position. First position, you have to go into the first position. Then slightly you have to same your left or your right leg, choose any leg, you have to same to hold the your right, place the right side view. Same, you have to hold the both legs. Then your face the only have the difference of the Janu Sirsasana or with Janu Sirsasana to Janu Sirsasana. Janu Sirsasana I have to face in forgetting how to face the downward to face the your legs. But the Jarvita Janu Sirsasana is have to face the your upper your forehead is how to face the upper view. Okay, full. Then you slightly have to face it side view or your upper body to slightly to face the your then slowly release your side. Your hips only rotate the side view or your upper view. You have to face the your forehead to the upward. Okay, then release. Then release your left. Okay. I have demonstration another leg. Normal launch it equation to first position. Then hold your right leg. Then slightly have to bend. And then place the your right side view. Then hold the angles and hold the knee with your comfortable time. Then slightly to bend your upper body. Then your forehead to face the upward or with your comfortable. You have to see the your side view. Okay. Then hold the final position. At the time you have to inhale deeply. Then hold the breathe. Then exhale the breathe out in deeply. Then slowly release the reverse order. Okay. Now we are doing the Parivrtta Dhanur Sirsasana, doing the now practice now. Okay, if you are interested, going to the normal long sitting position. Okay. Then your first position, I have to explain demonstration. If you are interested, do the practice now. Then choose your comfortable leg, left or your right. If you are choose the right leg, you have to place your left thigh side view. Then slightly hold your both hands to. Then slightly with your comfortable, flexible, bend your upper body only. Then you face the comfortable. You have to face the upper view, your forehead, or you have to face your side view. Then final question. After that, we have to inhale deeply with your comfortable duration. Then hold the breath. Then exhale the breath. Then release the particular sign, reverse order. Then release your hand. Release your choose the leg. Then first position go to normal long sitting position. Okay. Then next asana is Virasasana. It's going to the normal long sitting position. Okay. Then hold your right leg to slightly bend backwards. Then place your right thigh in side view. In the under the thigh. In your thigh right side. Okay. Then hold your left leg. Then slightly bend. Then you have to sit. It is not Vajrasana, it is different. Okay, I have to demonstrate in back view. Okay. Then hold your normal position. Then first time also straight. Then final position you have to inhale, exhale, and inhale deeply. Then hold your breath. Then exhale the deep breath. Then release the asana in reverse order. Then first you have to release the left leg. Then right leg. Going to the first position to normal long sitting position. Okay. The difference of the Vajrasana to Virsasana, I have to explain first. Okay. That is the legs have to place your legs you have to place that is Vajrasana. Okay. That is Virsasana. Okay.
Sir, it's not clear. Your leg positions are not clear.
Oh, okay. Okay. So it's clear now. Now you have to place your attach. You have to place your hand. That is Vajrasana. That is Virsasana. Okay. Slightly the both the hands have to slightly side view or side. Okay. That is Virsasana.
No, sir, still it is how you are keeping your legs is not clear.
Oh, okay. Okay, I have to demonstration one more time. Okay. And back I have to side view. I have to explain. Okay, demonstration.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, okay, okay. Then first you are going to the normal long sitting position. To first position. Then you hold your right leg to slightly bend your right leg. to near close to the your right thigh, not under the thigh. Okay. Then slightly you have to hold your left leg also. Then hold your slightly your place your left leg to slightly. Then place your left leg under the not under the thigh, side view or side, and you have to sit with your comfortable. Okay. Sit and you have to final position. You have to inhale deeply. Then hold your breath. Then exhale the breathe. Then release your reverse asana step by step. First you have to release your left leg, then your right leg. Okay.
Sir, leg position is not visible correctly, so please adjust your camera, please.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. I have to demonstrate one more time the final position. The difference of the Vajrasana to Virasasana. Okay, I have to one more time. I have to final position difference. I have to demonstration. Okay.
சார் கேமரா கொஞ்சம் அட்ஜஸ்ட் பண்ணுங்க சார், கீழே பண்ணுங்க.
Yes, sir. Sir.
எஸ் 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 எஸ், இட்ஸ் குட் சார்.
Okay.
Now it's very clear.
Okay, sir. Okay. Okay. That is Vajrasana. Both
So
the hands.
it was not clear previously because lot of light is coming from the back side of the door because the door is open. That
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay. Just a minute.
visibility.
Just a minute. Okay, sir. No problem. I have to close my door. Okay.
Yeah, that may be the reason.
Okay. Okay. No problem. The sign light. Okay. Now it's clear, sir. It's a Vajrasana. Both the angles have to closely then place your buttocks above your angles. Okay. It is Vajrasana position. Okay. Now it's a Sirsasana position. Slightly to side view, not your place your buttocks. You have to place in the angles. Your both angles you have to side view. Okay. That is Sirsasana. Okay. Then going to the another asana. Parvatasana. Parvatasana. It is interlock mountain pose. The meaning is interlock mountain pose. It is simple asana. You go into the normal sitting position. With your comfortable, you are going to the normal sitting position, or you going to the Padmasana or Ardha Padmasana. With your comfortable the position. Okay. First, I have to choose the Padmasana. First, I have to hold the right leg to place the left thigh. Then I have to choose the another leg, opposite leg. Then place the left thigh. Then I have to slowly have to your upper body, both the hands to slowly place. Both the palms you have to face. You have to this position also with your comfortable. You have to choose or use the this position, or you have to choose the this position. The same interlock position. Okay. Then deep inhale. Inhale, you have to deeply in till your comfortable duration. Then hold your breath with your comfortable duration. Then exhale the breath deeply. Then release reverse order slowly. Left leg, right leg. Okay. First position to normal arm. If you are not comfortable in Padmasana, if you have to use the Ardha Padmasana. Okay, Ardha Padmasana is I have to demonstration another side view. Okay. I have to choose now in Ardha Padmasana. Hold your right leg to place the left thigh, then left leg to place the under the right thigh, then slowly have to raise your both hand to interlock the fingers in mountain position, final position. Then deep inhale, then hold the breath, then exhale the breath, and release the reverse order, the asana, particular asana. First position to normal arm sitting. Okay. It is the simple and basic asana, another asana. If you are comfortable, you have to at the Padmasana, or you have to normal sitting position, you have to use the position in the particular asana. That means Parvatasana or interlock mountain pose. Okay. The another is pranayama. Today I have to learn the Nadi Sodhana pranayama. What is Nadi Sodhana pranayama? It is the both the nostrils have to alternate nostril the breath. Okay. You have to use the Vishnu Mudra. Okay. That is. It is Vishnu Mudra. It is Gyan Mudra. It is Vishnu Mudra. Okay. Only the little and ring fingers have to downward. The middle and index and thumb fingers have to close. You have to use the Vishnu Mudra today now. You have to Nadi Sodhana. What is Nadi Sodhana? You have to inhale the right, then at the time you have to close your left nostril, then hold your right nostril, then release your left nostril. You have to inhale the right, then release your left nostril. Then you have to inhale the left, then release the right nostril. Then you have to, that is one repetition. Inhale right, exhale left. Then inhale left, then exhale the right. Okay. Understand? Okay. Do now. I have to explain demonstration. I have to use the Vishnu Mudra. I have to inhale in my right nostril. With your deeply inhale, with your maximum capacity of the inhale. After that, you have to close your left nostril. You have to close. Then close your right nostril. Then exhale your left nostril. With deeply. Then inhale the left nostril. Then close your left nostril. Then release your or exhale the right nostril. Then that is one repetition. How many repetitions you have to use it with your comfortable? You have to your duration of the Nadi pranayama or alternative pranayama is 3 to 5 minutes. You have to regular practice. You have to improve the your blood circulation, your heart disease problem, or you have to inhale your breath capacity also have to increase. Your pulse monitor in your blood pressure also have to decrease. Okay. Now it's clear. Then going to the object meditation. Same. Yesterday I have to already have to see the meditation. That is simple and basic meditation. You have to comfortable your sitting position, Padmasana, Ardha Padmasana, or your comfortable normal sitting position. Then focus your object in opposite direction. You face your opposite direction. You have to choose any object. Candle, lights, your mobiles, your laptops, anything you have to choose. Only you have to focus the particular object. Okay. The particular object only you have to, your eyes you have to focus only. Don't do anything, you have to don't think. Okay. Focus the your particular opposite your object. The duration of the meditation you have to 3 to 5 minutes. You have to focus. Okay. Then slowly have to release your focus, particular object. Okay. Thank you. Today I have to learn the 5 asanas and one new pranayama. That means Nadi Somana or alternative nostril breathing pranayama. Then same meditation, object meditation. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. And I thank all participants. Tomorrow again at 6:55, we can all meet here. And sharp at 7 o'clock, we can begin the session. so that without any delay, we can close the session at 8 o'clock also. Thank you all and have a wonderful day. Stay healthy and safe.
Okay.